Have you ever wondered how mindful eating can change your life? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Well, let's delve into it. Mindful eating, at its core, is about bringing full awareness to the experience of eating. It's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. Imagine savoring every bite of your meal, noticing the textures, the flavors, the smells, and even the sounds. It's about appreciating the nourishment food provides and listening to your body's signals about hunger and fullness. Engaging in mindful eating can offer several benefits. It can play a significant role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, improving digestion, reducing the likelihood of overeating, and enhancing the overall eating experience. It's about developing a healthier relationship with food, one where we respect our bodies and the food that fuels them. So, are you ready to explore the secrets of mindful eating? To start your mindful eating journey, you need to understand the basic steps involved. It's not complicated, but it does require a shift in your approach and attitude towards food. So, let's dive in. Mindful eating begins with slowing down. Too often, we eat in a hurry, barely tasting the food before swallowing. But in mindful eating, each meal is an event to be savored. Take time to sit down and appreciate the meal in front of you. Pause before digging in and take a deep breath, letting the anticipation build. When you start eating, chew each bite thoroughly, allowing the flavors to fully unfold on your tongue. Now, let's move on to the next step. This is where the senses come into play. You're not just tasting the food, but experiencing it. Notice the colors, the aroma, the texture, and the flavors of your meal. Is it sweet, salty, sour, or bitter? Is it crunchy, soft, creamy, or chewy? Engaging all your senses helps you derive more pleasure from your food and makes you more aware of what you're consuming. Next, we acknowledge the nutritional value of our food. Think about the vitamins, minerals, proteins, and other nutrients that are nourishing your body. Realize that every bite is contributing to your well-being, helping you to stay healthy and strong. This will not only make you more appreciative of your food, but it will also encourage healthier food choices. Finally, we express gratitude for our meal. Gratitude is a powerful emotion, and incorporating it into your eating habits can have profound effects. Appreciate the effort that went into preparing the meal, the farmers who grew the ingredients, and the earth that provided them. This simple act of gratitude can enhance the eating experience and make it more satisfying. Remember, mindful eating is not a diet or about restrictions. It's about experiencing food more intensely and enjoying the process of eating. So take a step back, slow down, and truly savor each bite. You'll be amazed at how much more enjoyable and fulfilling your meals can be. Now that you know the steps, let's summarize the key points about mindful eating. This practice offers a wealth of benefits, such as bolstered digestion. By slowing down and truly savoring each bite, your body has time to process your meal, leading to improved digestion. Mindful eating also helps reduce overeating. When you're fully present, you're more likely to recognize when you're satiated, preventing unnecessary extra bites. But it's not just about physical health. Mindful eating enhances your eating experience, turning every meal into a sensory journey. By focusing on the textures, flavors, and aromas, you can derive greater pleasure from your food. And remember, this is a practice of gratitude, appreciating the nourishment your food provides. Above all, mindful eating is not about imposing restrictions. It's about creating a healthier, more enjoyable relationship with food. Changing how you eat can transform your relationship with food and lead to a healthier, happier you. So why not give mindful eating a try?